New Oxford Modern English, Book 7. The Lake Isle of Innisfree. Page number 13. Question number 3. In the following sentences, fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. The searchers went along the railway line looking for the missing dog. The cat in the tree was in distress. The prisoners were let out of jail. There is a sign on the wall. The train went into the dark tunnel. Anjum is no different from the rest of the students. There are many dark clouds over the city. The boat sank in the sea near Gadani. The cars raced around the corner. The thief put his hand on the window in the night.